In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do Google Ads keyword research in 2025. If you've ever felt overwhelmed by the prospect of finding the right keywords for your Google Ads campaigns, then you're in the right place. We're going to walk through the process step by step, simplifying each phase so you can dive right into action without any fuss. First, let's get started by navigating to the Google Ads dashboard. You'll want to head straight over to the Overview section. This area provides a bird's eye view of your current campaigns and features, putting all your data and options right at your fingertips. From here, you're ready to move on to a more focused area of your dashboard. Next, click on the section labeled Audiences, Keywords and Content. This is where we begin honing in on the keyword component of your campaigns. It offers a holistic view of the demographics and engagement tendencies associated with your content. Now that you're in the correct area, it's time to take the next logical step in our exploration. Proceed by selecting Search Keywords. This move is critical as it allows you to directly manage and refine the keywords you'll be using. The Search Keywords panel is the heart of keyword management within Google Ads, and it's where a lot of strategic decisions take place. With that done, your next action is to locate and click the plus icon next to search keywords. Now, clicking this plus icon opens up new opportunities within your existing campaigns, allowing you to add fresh keywords. Select the campaign you're currently working with. It's important to choose correctly, as each campaign might have different goals and audiences, and your keyword choices should reflect that variance. After selecting your campaign, you'll be prompted to choose an ad group. Ad groups enable you to organize your campaigns based on themes or commonalities. So select the one that best aligns with your focus area. With the ad group chosen, you'll now have the option to type in your desired keywords. This is a time for creativity and strategy. Think about terms your potential customers might use when searching for your product or service. Alternatively, you can enter a related website URL if you need some inspiration or want Google to analyze the site and suggest keywords. Additionally, you'll have the option to select from keywords by relevance. This feature is a great tool if you're unsure of what keywords might perform best, as it suggests terms that closely align with what you're advertising. Once you've decided on your keywords, go ahead and click on Add. This action will integrate your selections into the campaign, setting the stage for further configuration and optimization. Finally, click Save to ensure all your work is captured and ready for action. Saving is an essential step to prevent any loss of effort and to solidify your newly crafted keyword strategy into your overall campaign. And there you have it, a clear and concise guide to mastering Google Ads keyword research in 2025. Remember, keyword research is not a one-time task, but an ongoing process that can significantly elevate the performance of your campaigns. Happy advertising!